Okay, so for today's experiment, I'll be showing you how to clean some pennies. For this experiment, you will need a 1/4 cup of white vinegar in a non-metal bowl, a teaspoon of salt, a plastic spoon, and a bowl of water. So the first thing you want to do is add the salt to the vinegar and stir with a plastic spoon. And you'll stir until the salt is completely dissolved in the vinegar.
Yeah.
And you want to use non-metal items because if you use metal, it'll mess it up. So now that the vinegar and salt is completely dissolved, you'll take your pennies and you'll put them in the solution. And then you'll see very quickly that the pennies will start to be cleaned. And that's because the copper oxide that has formed on the pennies over time dissolves. And the longer that you put the pennies in the solution, the cleaner that they will be.
It's going to be mice from
Yeah, they're turning colors, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is from pruners.
Yeah.
Okay.
And so from here you can go 2 different ways. The first way that I'll be showing you is that you take the pennies out of the solution and then you put them in a dish of water to clean off the solution, and that stops the reaction from happening. And so they are very clean compared to what they were. The lighting's bad, but they are. And then so I'll do that with a couple. And then the other way you can do it is you just take the pennies out and you set them on a napkin and you'll see what happens. And then, so the ones that you put on a napkin and you just let them sit there for a while, they'll turn a bluish greenish color, and that's because the vinegar and salt dissolves the top layer of the copper on the pennies, which makes it easier for the copper atoms to bind with the oxygen atoms in the air and the chlorine atoms from the salt. And then the bluish greenish color is called malachite. Yeah. So that's all I have for this one.